way down and through a cave?
Yeah, but you don't want to do that though.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not going to be able to hold your breath that long.
Yeah.
That's what, 50 feet?
Yeah.
It's 30 and then 54 to in.
Okay.
You have to watch when you get down there, you don't get sucked in, you know?
Yeah, you've also got to,
Yeah.
where the spring is blowing in, so like right in here, it'll blow in like this and then it comes up. That's why if you look at the water, it's coming up and jetting out like that.
Okay.
That's why when you start going up to it, you're literally going to start going backwards.
Wow. Okay. Cool.
So just be mindful.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
There's no fish down there.
Yeah, there's some.
Yeah.
There's catfish.
Catfish down there in the cave?
Yeah, there's blue catfish.
Really?
I thought it was really. I've never seen those out here. There's a few of them in there.
That's cool.
Yeah, those are mainly up in I think like Louisiana.
Wow.
Yeah, further up.
Yeah, the larger blue catfish.
Yeah.
They get like 100 pounds or something.
Yeah. People like noodle for them and
Yeah.
stuff. I've never seen one here. That's all.
Really? And there's one here?
Yeah, there's like.
How do you know it's not a channel though?
No, it's definitely not a channel cat.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was trying to grab him. Like I got him into my hands and I was like.
How big is he?
Probably like that big.
Oh yeah.
There's a few of them in there.
Wow.
Like the further deep back you go in, they're all kind of just huddled up, hanging out in there.
That's cool. All right. I'll let you guys go. I'll check it out. Appreciate it. You too. What'd you find? A snake? Yeah.
Oh no, why are you messing?
Yeah, you might want to.
I'm gonna hold it.
Might want to avoid that.
It's not venomous.
You can put it around your neck.
No.
Yeah, you can.
The snake?
Did you see it? It'll fall in the water once everybody's scattered. How much of it try to catch?
Only three. Yeah, there's only three of us that were able to get down there.
Yeah.
But he was able to stay down there. His uncle was just down. When I get down there, I got just enough time to grab some shells and come back up. But he was down there. He's down there looking up, chilling. I'm like, I'm worried. I think there's gonna be an incident, but he just comes back up. Really? Training?
Just breath holding.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he's got the lung capacity.
We were here last year, and he wanted to get down there, didn't get down there.
Really?
Like, I'm gonna make it.
And he did. Yeah, very cool. Very cool.